Hello colleagues, this is Michael from Insider Week. In this video I would like to demonstrate the results of the outgoing trading week. The week was unprofitable and interrupted a series of profitable weeks. We recorded a loss of $6,000, which is 1% of our account. This loss is within our risk management, so we don't worry about it. Unfortunately, the loss of an essential part of trading. Therefore, we are constantly drawing conclusions, looking for points to improve and continue to improve our trading strategy. So what happened last week? We started the week with a portfolio which contained 3 open positions. By the end of the week, these positions was completely closed. There was also a wheat trade, but let's start in order with natural gas. Setup to sell for natural gas was published in the weekly trading plan 46th. COT index continues to be in sell zone. This means for us that we continue to look for entry points into a short position. Seasonality contributes to a decrease in natural gas price until February. So our short trade in natural gas, part of the position was closed last week. One contract was closed this week. The total profit from the signal in natural gas is and this trade is $10,000. If the indicators show the possibility of selling, we will open a short position again. Heating oil. Setup to buy for heating oil was published in the trading week 46 as well. On the weekly chart, the price of heating oil is growing. The COT index is in selling zone, but the weekly candles are all green. There are no signs of reversal yet. It is important that the price of heating oil moves against the seasonality. Our position was opened on December 3rd. The target was 1.45, but we closed the position because we didn't like this reversal bar. The profit was $286. Also, let me remind that there was already traded based on this signal. We traded this correction through December's contract. The total profit from the 46 week signal was over $8,000. Next, we are waiting for a correction in heating oil. If it is in the market, then we will once again open a long position in that market. Another one of our trade is sugar. Setup to sell for sugar was published in trading plan 49. The COT index isn't discharged. Seasonality contributes to lower sugar price. The position was opened on December 2nd. We moved the stop loss closer to the market price several times, and on Wednesday the position was closed via stop loss. Loss here is $3,500. In fact, we see that the price returned to the opening level of our position. During the preparation of trading plans for the next week, we will check the latest COT report and make a decision of strategy here. At the moment, everything looks like we will try to open another short trade here. And last trade is wheat. Setup to sell for wheat was published in the weekly trading plan 45. At the time of opening the position, wheat was the weakest in the grain sector. Now the picture has completely changed and wheat looks the stronger in the grain sector. The last week has shown where the wheat will move. Since the formation of the signal, we have been waiting for a short entry point for a long time. The trade was opened according to the moving average 18 pattern, but our position was closed by stop loss. There was the report which was published last week, had a serious impact on the price movement here. For now, we are away from wheat, and most likely next week we will focus on the soybean sector. Soybean meal looks interesting for a short trade now. We will talk more about this in our plan for next week. And one more thing that I would like to discuss is CRB index. There are many questions here. Momentum does not make new high, but the price raises. This tells us that any moment the bullish movement can reverse here. Therefore, next week we'll form a portfolio from both long and short positions. Will allow us to be more flexible in uncertainty market. That's all about week 40. Next, we are moving to planning trading week 41. These detailed trading plans are published for members in our Insider Week community. Join us now and see you there.